This video is going to show how to run CNC files on Open Linework and IGEMS. So first thing we're going to do is just import our Linework. This is what I'll be using for an example. So this here, these are our white pieces, and these have tags on them. These ones are, I don't remember what color these were, but these 5 are all one color. So we'll run these 5 colors together and then the white individually. So we're not going to create parts here. It won't let us create parts because we don't have everything closed. So what we're going to do instead is just apply the toolpaths directly to this line work. So to do that, we're going to go to Cam, Toolpath, Slit, hit OK. And then important step here, we're going to uncheck Connect to Part and then click Multi. And then select our first group here, hit Enter, Close. And then I'm going to hit spacebar to bring the command back up again, hit multi, select, enter, close, spacebar to bring it back up again, multi, select, enter, close, spacebar, multi, select, enter, go. Meant to hit close. I think I can just click single and hit escape. We'll see if that works. All right, so last one here, we're going to do slit, multi, select, enter, close. All right, so those ones are all good. And then we have same thing. We're just going to do the slit cuts on this here. All right, so now we have toolpaths on our line work, and we just need to put these into nesting sheets. So I'm going to be using a app that Jeff Day made here to add in 5 sheets, and I'm going to check my snaps here. I just have endpoint checked. That's going to help me right now because what I'm going to do is select this, press M, don't hit spacebar, but just press M, snap to the corner, and bring it to that corner. And I will select M, corner, corner, bring all 5 of these to the corner of these sheets. And then do a separate nest for the white. So now, sometimes what happens, does this one go all the way to 180? Let's see. It looks like there's not room to budge this. So with these ones that don't go all the way over, what I'm going to do, just so we don't have any issues with the line of the geometry overlapping the line of the sheet, I'm going to select all of the sheets only and turn on my ortho, and I'm just going to move everything 0.01 to, actually no, I want to move these not to the right. I want to move these 0.01 to the left, and then I want to move them 0.01 down. What that is going to do is going to move this just slightly off of our origin point here so that it will read this clearly when it goes to create CNC files. So I will do my CNC process and just call it test 1, save it, and that worked. Created 5 CNC files here. This one doesn't look like there's room to budget, so we'll try just to do a CNC on it, call it test 2, and it looked like it worked, so that's great. If we want to check to make sure that everything that we want cut is getting cut, what we can do is highlight all of this, and in Cam, if we go to Process, 2D Simulation, hit Enter, move over so we can see what's happening, and if we click play, the red lines that it's drawing on here, that is the path of the water jet where it's actually going to be cutting. So if we want to speed this up even more, we can watch it go through and see that it is hopefully cutting everywhere that we wanted it to, and it looks like it is. So that's just a preview, very helpful tool. X that out. And now we have to use the special nest report app that Jeff Day built for us because the regular nest report, if we try to use it, it will not work. Oh, wait, never mind. It will. I guess with the new IGEMS update, they made it so this does work. So this actually looks like it will work. It's not giving measurements though. And I believe if we were to use the regular for something that has part text on it, that is not a closed shape, we see there's not, the text is not showing up. So we do still need to use the Nest Report PJ1 app that Jeff made for us. So if we click that, click our files, hit enter, we have the layout here with the height and width, and we will save this. Just call it test 1 layout. And the big test will be when we run it on the white that had the part text. Do we see the part text? And part text is there. Could be a little bit clearer for sure, but for now, it is the best we have. So maybe this is something we can update to make it a little easier to read, but for now, this will work. Call it test 2 layout. And that is how we create CNC files and layouts for Open Linework.